Big rectangle, flash picture of dancing cats, 75-inch TV.
Human, Guru Cha smells shiny screen light from far village. Big rectangle, flash picture of dancing cats, calls 75-inch TV. Tomorrow brain whisper, save for old bones day. Today brain roar, buy shiny now. Guru Cha know this war, me fight inside skull every moon. Long time ago, tribe brain only think, find mammoth meat today, or tribe go hungry. No mammoth, tomorrow may be dead anyway. So brain learn trick, grab berry now, no care about winter. Fast move to your America land. You not chase mammoth, chase Black Friday sale. Same brain still inside. You think you smart with tiny glowing phone, but inside, same lizard coat. Brain scream, pleasure now, retirement cave later. Picture this, sun not up, but human stand snake long line outside Best Buy hot. Sign shout, $3.99 TV, 50% off today only. Heart pound like saber-tooth chase. Fingers twitch plastic money card. Truth, yesterday's same magic rectangle cost, $3.99. Store only move tiny paper tag and yell louder. Magic? No. Sneaky? Yes. Guru Cha clap for that marketing hunter. He spear your present bias like fat deer. Smart elder scientists, Daniel Kahneman, Amos Tversky, already catch this trap. They call it present bias and hyperbolic discounting. Fancy fire words mean, today reward feel huge, tomorrow reward feel like tiny swirl. Brain even trick itself with dopamine spark, like campfire crackle and skull. Every time you swipe card, you think you decide, but ancient wiring pulse string. Stay by fire with Guru Cha. Me show why this Stone Age brain make you overspend, undersave, and how to outhunt it. By end, you not just watch big shiny TV, you own future mammoth feast. Tomorrow brain promise safe. Today brain by giant TV. Which one you let win tonight? Listen close, fire friends. Guru Cha now talk about danger when today brain always win. Not small danger like stub toe on rock. Big danger like whole winter with empty food cave. Many moon count ago, tribe only need to survive night. But now you have numbers magic called dollar. You think number safe? Guru Cha tell you story. In your land of America, wise elders of Federal Reserve say 37 out of every 100 humans cannot find $400 of Skyfall. 400. That only price of 2 fancy sneakers or 1 giant phone rock. Yet tribe panic if car will break or tooth crack. And humans love magic plastic card. It hide pain like soft deer fur. Swipe, swipe, no hurt now. But later, credit spirit come with giant club of 20% interest or more. That mean you borrow 1 rabbit today and pay back 2 rabbits tomorrow. Meanwhile, the great 401k cave gives 7% berries each year if you feed it. But you choose card with 20% hungry mouth. See problem? Guru Cha draw picture in your head. Carla, age 32, live in Chicago hot. She owes $6,000 on magic card. She thinks small, like just weekend trip to Vegas, only few drinks and bright lights. But card grow like angry bear. Interest turn tiny weekend into years of heavy carrying. Carla now chase debt mammoth for extra seasons. Even small daily treat steal from future you. You buy $7 latte every sunrise. Only coffee, you say? But if you hide that coin in 401k cave with 7% growth, after 30 winters, it becomes $70,000 mountain. That mountain could buy warm home or giant pile of honey cakes. Instead, you drink foam and forget. So what at stake? Your old bones time. When hair white and knees weak, you want firewood, food, maybe 4 to sun hot. But if today brain always roar, you sit in cold cave counting crumbs. Guru Cha not scared for fun. Guru Cha want tribe to see monster clearly. Timing consistency, not small trick. It eat future like hungry wolf if you keep feeding it now. Now Guru Cha tell you secret twist. You think you lazy? You think you weak? No. Your skull machine work exactly like old design from 1,000 moon ago. Brain not broken, it ancient and proud. Back when tribe fight saber-tooth. No one planned for 60 winters. If you find berry today, you eat or you die. Future was maybe next sunrise, maybe never. That wiring stay inside even when you ride shiny metal car and scroll glowing phone rock. Elders of science test this with funny games. They offer people $50 now or $100 in 1 moon. Most choose 50 today, even 100 later is double meat. This called hyperbolic discounting. Big fire words for small truth. Today reward feel like giant mammoth. Future reward feel like skinny squirrel. Little humans prove it too. Marshmallow test. Put one sweet cloud on table. Tell child, wait, and you get two. Most kids chomp fast. Same brain you carry to office job. Only now marshmallow look like online sale, or late night pizza, or swipe a plastic card. Inside head, chemical spark called dopamine light up like campfire when you grab reward quick. That spark shout louder than quiet whisper of future you. You think you choose, but really ancient hunter inside push hand forward. So no shame, tribe friend. Your urge to buy shiny is same as ancestor urge to snatch honey before bear. But knowing truth give power. If brain is old map, we learn to draw new trail. Stay by fire. Guru Cha soon show tricks to bend time, trap old wiring, and make future you fat and happy like well-fed mammoth. Do not leave. The next story teach how to tie knots around your own habit, so today brain cannot steal from tomorrow brain again. Now we reach big haunt, the way to turn time from enemy into friend. Guru Cha bring tools sharper than stone spear. Listen, first trick, hide meat before you smell it. In your land you call this autosave. Tell shiny work cave called employer to grab coin from your pay before it even touch your hand. For 01k cave do this well. Some big tribes even match coin for coin. Free meat, when coin vanish before you see it. Today brain cannot steal. You wake one day and find mountain of meat waiting. Second trick, lock the door on impulse. Some smart humans build magic jars like digit or acorns that pull tiny coins each sun and hide them where eyes no reach. Coins grow quietly like mushrooms after rain. You forget, but future feast remember. Third trick, make promise with pain. You set trap for self, public vow, or scary contract. Apps like Stick K take your coin if you break roll. Promise to run every week or lose $20 to rival tribe. Fear of shame stronger than sugar smell. Fourth trick, see future you as real hunter. Elder scientists from UCLA show picture of people aged to look like winter version of self. Those who stare at older face save more. So print picture of old bone you, tape on fridge. Look in eyes of future you and say, I protect you, old warrior. Many tribes in America already play this game. Some raise 401k every time they get paid bump, 2% more each year. Jason in Denver do this 5 winters straight. Now his future pile bigger than his pickup truck. Remember, this not about being perfect. Guru Cha still love big fire feast. But when you use these tricks, you bend ancient wiring. You take lizard code and teach it math. You make today brain guard the cave instead of raiding it. Soon you hunt for joy, not for panic. Future you smile, bones strong, fire bright. That is true victory over time. Fire crackle soft now. Guru Cha sit closer, voice slow like night wind. We walk long path together. First you laugh at shiny TV story. Then you see danger, credit card wolf, latte drain, empty winter cave. You learn brain not bad, just ancient. And you grab tools. Autosave spear, coin hiding jar, scary promise, photo of future you. Now the last step, choose. Before this fire fade, make one small move. Open shiny phone. Tell bank cave to steal coin each moon for future you. Add 1 more % to 401k cave. Set transfer before dawn. Tiny action today, beat giant promise tomorrow. Remember, you not fight stranger. You wrestle self. Tomorrow brain promise safe. Today brain by giant TV. Only you decide which voice guide tribe. Guru Cha believe you strong. You can feed old bone self fat mammoth feast. Warm hot, bright fire. Take breath, feel heart, then act. Guru Cha smile wide, teeth like white stones. You win when you start now. Fire pops, sparks rise into black sky. Guru Cha tap chest, nod once. Future you already thank you.